Today's content reveals around Fujifilm X Pro4, the ultimate camera for content creators in 2024. Introduction: the new era of creative photography. Start with a compelling intro, emphasizing how the Fujifilm X Pro4 is a game-changer in the world of content creation. Talk about the increasing demand for versatile, high-quality cameras among photographers, filmmakers, and influencers alike, making it the ideal tool for creative projects. 1. Design for innovation and creativity. Retro-modern design. Describe the unique fusion of vintage aesthetics and modern functionality that appeals to creative minds. Touch on the X Pro4's ergonomic feel and intuitive controls that make it easy for photographers to capture spontaneous moments. Durability for dynamic environments. Mention how it's designed for urban creators, nature enthusiasts, and travel photographers, with a rugged build that can withstand different conditions, from bustling cityscapes to remote landscapes. Number 2. Next-level image quality. A creator's dream. Unmatched sensor quality. Focus on the X Pro4's high-resolution APS-C sensor and advanced X Processor 5, delivering breathtaking image clarity even in low light. Discuss its color science, which faithfully reproduces colors and tones for authentic, striking photos. Film simulation modes. Highlight the signature Fujifilm film simulation modes like Classic Chrome, Provia, and Eterna, which offer creators a range of color profiles to suit various styles and moods without extensive post-processing. 3. Unleashing potential with advanced autofocus and tracking. AI-powered autofocus. Explore how the X Pro4's AI-enhanced autofocus is designed for fast-paced environments, allowing creators to stay focused on their vision. It's ideal for street photographers, wedding videographers, and wildlife enthusiasts who need quick and accurate focus. Eye and face detection. Describe how advanced face and eye detection ensures sharp, expressive portraits, especially for photographers capturing candid moments or creators producing vlog-style videos with an emphasis on personality. 4. Seamless workflow, connectivity, and user experience. Streamlined wireless transfers. Talk about the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, enabling users to quickly share their work to social media or a smartphone for on-the-go editing. Customizable function buttons. Mention how the customizable dials and function buttons make it easy for users to tailor the camera to their specific shooting style, enhancing productivity for content creators who rely on quick access to settings. Enhanced touchscreen and EVF. Describe the improvements in the touchscreen interface and electronic viewfinder that provide superior clarity and convenience for real-time composition and adjustments.